Yeah, that's some of the children actually have been with me for many years. I have some that's already in university, and some actually work for me too. And we have 3 bases in Uganda where I have children at each home inside of Uganda, and then also in South Sudan. We're doing a lot of feeding inside of Ethiopia. There's a serious problem going on in Ethiopia right now. You know, there's a lot of people dying. And listen, you know, I'm going to encourage all of you when you leave here tonight to go home, educate yourself on what's going on in Africa, what's going on in Sudan, what's going on in all the countries I mentioned. Find someone that you are comfortable with supporting. If you'd like to support us, we need to help. But if not, find someone that you are comfortable with, get behind them and back them. There's a lot of good organizations out there. Everyone's saying, Sam, you need to be pushing this for yourself. Listen, it's not about me. It's about you and what you're going to do. Find someone out there and support them the very best that you can.
Aren't you doing like a water drilling right now?
Yeah, I'm actually, I have an airline, Virgin Airlines is helping me to pay for some wells, but I'm trying to buy a well drilling rig. And I had one lined up here not long ago, but some money fell through. But, you know, God will always work it out. You know,
that's one thing you don't really realize how important clean water is.
Yeah.
On your website, there's some great information about clean water.
Absolutely, yeah.
You take it for granted here.
A well drilling rig, you're not going to save a few hundred or a few thousand people with a well drilling rig. You're saving hundreds of thousands of people, hundreds of thousands. And one of the big things, we would drill wells where the other area, or excuse me, where the other people are afraid to get their rigs in because they might lose them due to rebels and stuff like that. We'll go home, turn on your bedroom light, get ready for bed, and you'll shut off your light. And everything you're feeling right now is going to leave tomorrow. That's the sad part. But see, I can't shut that light off. Maybe there's a few of you can't shut that light off. So, you know, hopefully there is. And it don't take a whole lot of people, you know. It just takes a few to say, I ain't shutting that light off. And hopefully you won't.